Muscle roller. A muscle roller can be an amazing workout recovery tool. The best roller can help smooth out the tension and kicks the buildup from daily stresses such as sitting most of the days while working, and if you have been working out at home, a roller might be the closest option to you to have a massage until your local spas reopen. If you're looking for the best roller, we are here to help you find it. So let's start by number 1. OPTP Pro Roller. The OPTP Pro Roller is a softer foam roller that measures 26 inches in length. Although its rolling takes up more spaces because it's so long, you can do a lot more with it, like lie on it to help release your spine and roll both of your legs easily at the same time, designed to withstand heavy use at the gym or in a clinic. Number 2. Trigger Point Performance Trigger Point Great Foam Roller. It's a fan favorite on Amazon as well as a go-to roller amongst physical and massage therapists, coaches, trainers, and athletes for its great functionality. Unlike most flat foam rollers, this one has a multi-dimensional surface that means to find like a massage therapist's hands. The grid also helps improve oxygen flow and heal tissue. Number 3. Rolling with a Therapeutical Grade Massage Eva Foam Roller. This eco-friendly roller is a great physical therapy, self-massage, and myofascial release. Still, it's also just a useful for pre-workout use as it is for pro exercise. By rolling before you hit the gym, you'll warm up the muscles so you can put in more work for a more extended period on later. Number 4. Keiba Massage Lacrosse Balls for Myofascial Release. This Keiba massage roll balls for myofascial release, trigger point therapy, muscle knot, and yoga therapy are the perfect addition to your recovery routine. Each order comes with a set of 2 Lacrosse set balls, and you can purchase them in the following color combinations: red and blue, green and yellow, and orange. Number 5. Rumble Roller Beastie Bar and Stance. Whether it's lifting weight or a heavy moving box, your shoulders tend to carry a lot of stress, and with that comes muscle pain and the need of relief. To combat sore shoulders, try out the Rumble Roller Beastie Bar and Stance. This funky looking wand features 2 besties, which are speaky foam massage balls. Using these helps target small pleasure point to relieve areas like your shoulder and neck. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.